Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us on another Voodoo Sidecar tutorial. My name's Josh, and we're going to be going through the mechanics of making a pretty simple recipe for you to make at home. It's a raspberry simple syrup. Moving forward, I'm going to use this for a classic cocktail called a Clover Club, which is pretty perfect for this time of year. But that's getting ahead of ourselves, so let's get started on the syrup. First, you're going to take equal parts water and sugar and bring to a boil. So essentially, you're just making a simple syrup. Once that's boiling, you're going to add 6 ounces of fresh raspberries and drop your heat down to a simmer. And you're going to give your raspberries a little mashy mash with your whisk so those juices can start seeping into and infusing into your syrup. And you're going to let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Afterward, you're going to let that cool down to room temperature and put it in a storage container of your choosing and let that sit in your fridge for 24 hours. Now, the reason you want it to sit so long in your fridge is you want to give those raspberries time to infuse into the syrup even longer, so those really fresh and fruity raspberry flavors can come out in a cocktail. Strain it through some sort of fine mesh strainer, kind of like shown here. After, take it out of your fridge the next day and then put it in another storage container. And there you have it, a fresh raspberry simple syrup. Thanks for watching.